Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to unlock your Caixadirecta account using the digital mobile key. This method is fast, secure, and helps you regain access without visiting a branch. Let's get started. First, open the Caixadirecta app on your mobile device. Log in with your credentials to access the login screen. Next, select the option to unlock account. Look for prompts like digital mobile key or clave mobile to begin the unlocking process. Then, verify your identity. Enter your personal details, such as your ID number or account information, as requested by the app. After that, use your digital mobile key. Open your digital key app or token and enter the generated code in the Caixadirecta app when prompted. Next, confirm the unlock request. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. The system will notify you once your account is successfully unlocked. Finally, log in to verify access. Once unlocked, you can access your Caixadirecta account normally and continue managing your finances securely. Quick tips. Ensure your mobile device has a stable internet connection. Keep your digital mobile key app updated to avoid compatibility issues. Never share your digital key codes with anyone to maintain security. Unlocking Caixadirecta using the digital mobile key is fast, secure, and convenient when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.